Suppose you have a number A, that's just an arbitrary number. Number A is a common factor, of the numbers B and C. B and C are also arbitrary numbers. So A is a common factor of the numbers B and C. That means that A, B and C both are divisible by A, right? The common factor is that. So if this is the condition, then even B plus C will also be divisible by A. That is A will be a factor of B plus C also. Okay, so by factor we mean that that particular number will be divisible by the factor. So in this case, if B and C have their common factor as A, therefore B plus C will also be divisible by A. Okay, so if I have to explain you with a real-time example, that would be say A is 2 and B is 8 and C is 16. So clearly A is 2 and therefore 2 is a factor of 8 and 2 is also a factor of 16. Therefore 2 is a common factor of 8 and 16. So 2 is a common factor of 8 and 16. Now if you add B plus C, that will be 8 plus 16 and that will come 24, and clearly 24 is divisible by 2. That is A. So if you divide 24 by 2, you'll get 2 times 2 minus this gone, and then 4. We have 2, 4 minus, and this gone. So you have 12. So clearly 24 is divisible by 2. That is B plus C is divisible by 2. That is 2 is a factor of B plus C. That is 2 is a factor of 8 plus 16, that is 24. Same is true for their difference also. So like it can be B minus C or it can be C minus B, depending upon which number is greater and which number is smaller in their value. If B is greater, like here in this example, B is 8 and C is 16, of course C is greater than B, right? So in that case you will take C minus B. So in this case 24 minus, sorry, not 24, this will be true for B minus C and C minus B. This is second case. So first one was for the positive one, second one is for the negative one. It can be B minus C or it can be C minus B, depending upon which number is greater and which number is smaller. So B minus C or C minus B will also be divisible by A. That is, A will be factor of this one or this one. So in this example, this particular one, you have A is 2, B is 8 and C is 16. Since C is greater than B, therefore you will do C minus B, and C minus B will be 16 minus 8 and you will get 8, and of course 8 is divisible by 2. If you divide 8 by 2, you will get 4 and this gone. So 8 is divisible by 2, therefore 2 is a factor of 8, or A is a factor of B minus C or C minus B. Again, 2 points, that if A is a common factor of B and C, then B plus C will also be divisible by A. That is, A will be a factor of B plus C, and similarly A will be a factor of B minus C or C minus B. B minus C or C minus B, whatever you will take will depend upon whether which number is greater and which number is smaller in the value.